Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious blue margarita cocktail. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1.5 ounces of your favorite silver tequila, 1 full ounce of blue curaçao for that signature hue, and 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. To perfectly balance the flavors, add a 1/2 ounce of agave nectar or simple syrup. These simple components will create a truly refreshing drink. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to mix. Pour the tequila, blue curaçao, lime juice, and agave nectar directly into a cocktail shaker. Fill the shaker about 2/3 full with ice cubes. Secure the lid tightly and shake vigorously for approximately 15 to 20 seconds. This crucial step chills your drink perfectly and ensures all the flavors are beautifully integrated, creating a smooth and refreshing base. Before pouring, let's prepare your glass. For a classic touch, moisten the rim of your margarita glass with a lime wedge, then dip it into a shallow plate of coarse salt or sugar. Next, fill your beautifully rimmed glass with fresh ice cubes. This keeps your blue margarita perfectly chilled from the first sip to the last. Finally, add a festive garnish like a fresh lime wheel or a bright orange slice to complete your stunning cocktail. With your glass ready, it's time for the grand finale. Carefully strain the well-chilled blue margarita mixture from the shaker directly into your prepared glass, ensuring only the liquid goes in. Avoid letting any of the shaker ice fall into your serving glass. Present your vibrant, refreshing blue margarita immediately. Take a moment to appreciate its beautiful color, and then enjoy the perfectly balanced sweet, sour, and citrusy notes you've crafted. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.